Math challenge. 12 equal to 24. 12 equal to 24. 11 equal to 33. 10 equal to 40. 9 equal to 45. 7 equal to what? Only legend person the right answer, and only USA person right answer. So it is very difficult, and it is very important in the world. 90% people cannot solve the math. So the math is very difficult and very important in the world. Please comment your answer.